Guys, I think I cracked the code of CLA vocals with a lot of plugins, of course. For starters, we're going to listen to it.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. No escales remolinos donde no los hay, no.
Then our chain.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. No escales remolinos donde no los hay, no.
Now our vocal chain consists in sculpture, neutron sculpture by Isotope in the vocals mode with a little bit of tone. There is a whole video about this in my channel and in the description of this video.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino.
Followed by the stock compressor in the leveler, which is just a slow attack, fast release, and a lot of knee compressor. We might have to adjust output to Unity.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. No escales.
Then we have Sound Toys CQ. And we're going to move the mid frequency to 5.6, which is the area where the feminine voice is at. But in this case, it's Manuel's voice, which is pretty high.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. No escales
Then we're going
remolinos
to
donde no los
complement that
hay.
with the high frequency boost.
Quema mi labia con tu beso
But
de
it sounds
magma.
good. There's no rule. Adjust
Quemaste
gain
hacia el alba, somos nubes.
and maybe add a little bit of low end
Tomando,
just because
déjalo,
it needs some.
tomando, déjalo, cuestión del
Not too much,
destino.
not to make it cloudy again. Now, this can be the last step, but we choose to do it before the reverb, and it's adding a tiny bit of mix in Microchief. Just a tiny bit. When you start hearing like a plastic sound, you roll back.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. No escales remolinos donde no los hay, no.
And finally, Arturia reverb intensity in the stock setting. The stock setting has advanced turn off, so you move distance all the way up and around 80 milliseconds of pre-delay, and you're going to get a pretty decent vocal reverb, just that easy. Now you move dry wet to 0 and start slowly adding until it's not a problem. And let's compare.
Quemaste hacia el alba, somos nubes. Aquí. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. No escales remolinos donde no los hay, no.